What up, good people, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia. For those who are new here, returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support me. And guys, today I'm in Kitengela. So guys, I will be enjoying this floating bridge as I show you around. So guys, let's do this together. Yeah? Oh, ndio nimesikia. Kwa gate tu. Na tutapatana hapo.
Haya. Niko na wageni hapa. Nataka kurudi kwa side juu. Niko na wageni niko hapa kwa free. Ninaendelea na kurudi. Sawa. Ana, niko ndugu yangu yenye atakuja yenye amepanda pale juu. Mimi nipigie ndugu yangu pole pole. Mpaka pale mwisho kurudi haina shida.
Acha tufanye nini?
Nasema nini endelee ndio na pishieni pole pole. Niko ndugu yangu anyako pale juu, ndio ile anarudi. Sasa yeye ndio ataangalia wageni hapa. Oh. Yeah.
Sasa hii tunaenda mpaka na huko?
Hapana, anapiga tu pisha hapa mpaka ngambole na anarudi tu hivi.
Oh, sawa. Asante. So guys, this is Kitengela floating bridge. Bwana ameshindwa.
Hawa mnafikiria.
So guys, we are in Kitengela. This is Kitengela floating bridge. So if you have not been here before, welcome. Let's have fun. Yeah. It's not a joke, guys. Let me show you the bridge. So guys, we came from that side. I don't know whether you can see from that far end. So up to here where I'm standing. This is how the bridge looks like for those who have not been here. This is the only bridge we have in Kenya, the floating bridge we have in Kenya. So guys, Yes, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Kindly subscribe, make sure you like the video. Yeah, haina shida. So guys, this is Kitengela floating bridge, and guys, so scary. The only floating bridge in Africa. So guys, the bridge is swinging, and yeah. So guys, this is how it looks like. I don't know whether you can see where, yeah. So guys, this is Kitengela floating bridge. So guys, the bridge is so scary. This is how it looks like, and yes, let me know in the comment section your view about this bridge. Let me show you well. This is the bridge now, guys. So yeah, it looks like this. Guys, let's keep on working. So I'm just enjoying the work here. Yo, that's me, guys. Make sure you like the video, you comment, let me know your thoughts about this place. Actually, it's a nice place if you are not, you don't fear heights. Yes, I'm just walking so guys because it's shaking. Yes. Yo. So I'm about to finish this race. Yeah. Yo, I'm checking the bridge. So guys, this is the view.